Remember, during one of the final series, biglang pinasetter niya si Chuck Cruz, who we saw a while ago. And now we see another adjustment here with Chen, but Fajardo's back on the floor. Blockers were there up top. LaSalle does not want to let this one go. Maraginoon finding the open spot on the defense of LaSalle.
Maraginoon has been the bright light on the side of the Lady Eagles in this match so far.
Ateneo at match point once again. Here's Valdez. Fajardo up top to Gala. Here comes Maraginoon. Off speed. Saved by Cruz. Here comes Gala. Wala pa rin. Morado to De Leon. Nearly getting blocked. Maraginoon. Gala was there up top. Ladro falling down. De Jesus sending it back to the south side. Here comes Gala with a drop ball. Morado with a save. Maraginoon.
Maraginoon gets it.
Ateneo makes history once again, becoming the second team in UAAP women's volleyball history to sweep the elimination round and earn a thrice-to-beat advantage in the finals.
Let me tell you, they earned it the hard way. That was such a challenge given by LaSalle.
Especially during the latter part of that fourth set, Mosey.
Oh my goodness, what a game. Once again, we were treated. The classic game, Maraginoon. Good shot on that last point.
And look at the celebration. RCBC Smarter Solutions coach of the game, it is Coach Ty Bundit. His 27th victory as the head coach of Ateneo. RCBC Smarter Solutions.
Look at Coach Ty. Siya naman yung may white smile ngayon. That grin says it all. You know, it was a hard game. It was a challenge. And they played well. Ateneo played so well. Once again, credit also to LaSalle. They gave it their best try.
They put up a good fight.
That's true.